Hi there. Here, let's take a look at your site in mobile. I'm going to use the Apple iPhone S, and we're going to, let's see. Let's put that in there. Okay. It's, you know, I can put what's needed in there without some issues. It's got some gutters going on. You may want that. I'm not sure. Gutters on the overall site. You get a little bit of overlap with the menu here, and looks like the logo is being overrun by, lapped on the Z index, whatever, by the title of the page. A little bit of a lot of different little things going on. The contact us is text is too small, pre-qualified. You might want to bump the size of the icons down a little bit. You may not want to. That's your call. I don't think it's horrible through here. With the gaps and everything, but let's take a look here how it looks in other browsers. I might suggest doing your formatting this a little differently, but probably the biggest thing is right down here in the footer, and you're probably going to be replacing that anyway. You also got a little bit of strange, the button looks just a little strange here. would have probably made that button just show up beneath the text. Put the text up and then put the button under it. It might look a little better. Overall it's not horrible, but I think it could be improved and everything. But we can go with what you've got. You just let me know. But for now, I'm just going to incorporate my code into here, and you can do with it what you want. But I was just wondering if you wanted me to take a closer look. And that white edge actually may be, I need to look at it a little closer, but that could be from the scroll bar. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, it might be. I don't know. Let me see. Well, it's showing up differently in some different mobile environments. In the Apple iPhone 8 Plus, it's doing more of what I would have expected it to do, but you still got gaps and different things. But you might want to look at some of that. You may be redoing it all. I'm not sure, but just wanted to show you, kind of pointed out there's a few things going on, and if you need some help on that, just let me know. All right, I appreciate it. Thank you.